Can I apply for VAWA without hurting my spouse, right? Can I apply for VAWA without hurting my spouse? The answer is yes. A police report is not required to apply for a VAWA. So you can apply without implicating your spouse, without calling the police on your spouse. All right, you would get a work permit usually in about 6 to 8 months after we apply. You would get a green card in about 2 to 2.5 years, all without really involving your spouse. Call us for a consultation, 703-348-1663. What is the meaning of VAWA, right? Some people don't know what VAWA is. Okay, so VAWA is a way to apply for a green card if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and they're not willing to help you. If they're not willing to help you and your marriage can be abusive, right? And we can talk about the different types of abuse that might be present. If you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and you're the victim of abuse, it could be physical abuse, but not always. It can be emotional abuse, psychological abuse, right? So you would be able to apply on your own without having to report your spouse to the police. You'd be able to apply on your own and you'd be able to receive a work permit. You would receive protection to remain in the United States, and ultimately you would receive a green card. Usually in about 2 to 2.5 years, you would receive a green card. And this can happen even if you entered illegally. If you don't have any status right now, you can still apply if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and your relationship with them is difficult. It could be abusive. So if you're not sure, right, if your spouse is not willing to help you, you're not sure, that's when I would say you should call for a consultation, because this might be an opportunity for you to get in status, for you to get a work permit, for you to be allowed to be in the U.S. And also for those who haven't been back home in a really long time, you would also be able to leave the United States, visit family, usually within 6 months of our application. All right. Give us a call if you are in the situation, or refer our name to others that might be in the situation, because many people don't even know that it is an opportunity to apply. All right, we're at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663.